Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Wonders the normally say shall never end. See, in this platform, I bring everything to you back to back, and our Eze has just spoken. Eze Ndigbo. I know that a lot of people did not really know him, but with what you are going to listen to today, you will have every reason to go and look for him and follow him. Now, if you really want to hear more about him, of which I know you want to, you have to hurry up right now and follow him. Thank you so much, and I'll be right back.
I know that I have life to live. I'm not looking for your money. I have to look after my family. I have to look after I have to support Biafra freedom in different way. So I didn't come here to take your time. Follow me on TikTok. What I'm a comedy. I'm a comedian. That is how I is. I'm a comedian. Follow me at Mr. Virgin Comedy. You may hear him Virgin Comedy. The person who is Virgin Comedy is His Royal Majesty Eze Ndigbo, South Africa. I'm a comedian. People follow me on my TikTok. Follow me, subscribe, and support me. I don't know. I don't need to tell you who I am because you know who I am. But I need to tell you the truth. Chief Justice Kekere is the best judge that Nigeria never had. She's the best judge. She's the best woman judge Nigeria never had. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is uncorruptible. Chief Justice Kekere is uncorruptible. Simon Ekpa is uncorruptible. I know the reason why I'm saying all this. See you, Nigerians, can't you see? When you see somebody doing good, forgetting we are talking about Nigeria. Yes, Nigeria must be divided into 4-3. Because let everybody go and develop their own nation. With peace. Nothing like regional government. It can never work. The foundation of Nigeria through Lord Lugard is shaking. It's not strong. Nothing like Nigeria. It can never work. If you want to give Nigeria peace, divide in Nigeria immediately. We will be doing business together, and everybody will be living where they live. We know we were Nigeria before. So there will be peace. But if you continue swimming the pool of Nigeria every day, one Nigeria, we will continue having problem because the foundation is fake and fraud. So let divide Nigeria into 3 or 4. Let every ethnic go and develop their own nation. And we work together, we trade together, we do business, everything together. That's one. I use this opportunity to urge Chief Justice Kekere to investigate Malami, former Chief Justice Malami, for paying individuals $9 million to go and Mazen Nnamdi Kanu in Kenya. Public fund. This is the reason why people, they don't want Nigeria to be divided, because they're benefiting in corruption. And the only person who will fight this corruption is Chief Justice Kekere. Investigate Malami. Malami have spoken out. He told the whole Nigerian that he paid DOA's IPOP Nigeria Limited $9 million in their own private account. Who is those individuals who share this $9 million? Chief Justice Kekere, this is the question you ask Malami. Who are those individuals? Because he said that they pay $9 million into private account for helping the Tugan Mazen Nnamdi Kanu in Kenya. Who are those? Are they ghosts? But I know that Chief Justice Kekere will find out who are those people and investigate the account immediately and let the Nigerian government recover that $9 million because upon paying the $9 million, Malami continue wasting 500 million every case. Mazen Namdi Kanu case, or 1 billion or 1 billion. Every case. Malami waste 1 billion naira in every Mazen Namdi Kanu case, including $9 million and etc. Some Eastern governors is involved. DOS who sold Mazen Namdi Kanu and hand him over to Malami and former President Buhari are involved with this money. Investigate them. Let them return Nigerian government money, public fund, because they didn't. Okay, kidnapping Mazen Namdi Kanu is not useless. Why wasting all these billions of dollars that you will use to develop Nigeria? It's a waste. So those people who are involved must be arrested. Let them pay back that $9 million immediately, including arresting former Chief Justice Malami. They are corrupt and criminals. Why do you go and kidnap somebody that you know just because of money? They know that they won't fit Mazen Namdi Kanu. What they are practicing now, what they are discussing in the House of Assembly, in the Senate, is the same thing Mazen Namdi Kanu and say, then why did you go and kidnap him? Why did you waste public fund? The only thing they went to arrest MFL because he's an Igbo man. What of former President Buhari? His own crime. And his government, President Buhari and his government supposed to brought to book because all of them stole billions of naira. Why? Corruption. So I want Chief Justice Kekere to do more. She deserves respect. I'm respecting this woman today for saying the way they went and kidnapped Mazen Namdi Kanu is illegal. I praise her. And she will make sure Mazen Namdi Kanu will be released because Nigerian money is the problem Nigeria is having today, both in economy and other problems, is because of the kidnapping of Mazen Namdi Kanu, because of his boys, followers, called DOS, sold him in Kenya to hand him over to Malami. That's why Nigerian problem won't be solved. Economy-wise, is down, melt down. Everything, yaga yaga. The economy of Nigeria, yaga yaga. The justice of Nigeria, yaga yaga. During the time of Malami. I'm congratulating President Tinubu. He's doing well, very well. He's right. In fact, President Tinubu is better than Mr. Peter Obi. Mr. Peter Obi can challenge Tinubu. What did he do did he build anything in Anambra State? He didn't do anything. He was using the money doing business. Now he want to go and rule Nigeria. The problem of Nigeria will be worse than Buhari if Peter Obi have taken over from presidency. So what of you one day trying to go and kidnap him again? You made a mistake again. Why can't you call Simon Ekpa? Let's sit on the table and discuss way forward. More especially Biafra freedom. We want Biafra one day freedom. Let Biafra go. Let Oduduwa go. Let Arewa go. No Nigeria. Nothing like one Nigeria. But I must praise Chief Justice Kekere. She's a woman of integrity. She's a timber and caliber. She's a strong woman. She's a learned woman. She read very well. Not a street farmer. A farmer in the north called Malami. They come and they give Chief Justice. You see the people who went to school, educated people like Chief Justice Kekere. This is the type of people they're supposed to appoint. Not all these corrupt judges there collecting bribe. The Chief Justice, all these criminals, judges there, destroy the constitution of Nigeria. Everything is not working.
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Please like this video, share and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst. I bring out the update to you back to back. Thank you so much and bye bye.